Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, today I am going to show you how Farmer Rice Poultry and also discuss about poultry farm. I hope that this video will help you. So let's start. Poultry farming is a major industry that provides food and income for many people around the world. From chickens to turkeys and ducks, farming raises a variety of birds for their meat, eggs, or both. In this video, we will explore the process of how farming rice poultry and the challenges and rewards of the exciting industry. There are many types of poultry farming, including commercial, backyard, and free range. Each type has its own advantages and challenges. Farming must choose the one that best suits for their needs. Poultry need a safe, dry, and warm environment to live in. The type of housing depends on the type of poultry and may include crops for chickens, pens, turkeys, and birds or ducks. Starting a poultry farm requires careful planning and research. Farmers must decide on the type of poultry they want to raise, the breed, housing, food, and equipment needed. They must also consider the market demand and competition in their area. Poultry need a safe, dry, and warm environment to live in. The type of housing, equipment needed depends on the type of poultry, the sale of the farm. Some common types of housing include coops, pens, and barns. Proper nutrition is essential for poultry growth and egg production. Farmers can purchase commercial feed or create their own mix based on their poultry's need. They must also make sure that the feed is stored properly to prevent spoilage. Farmers can choose natural breeding of artificial insemination. Space and clean conditions are necessary for breeding, and the farming must monitor the health of the flock and ensure that they are in good condition. Regular checkups, vaccination, and parasite control are important of maintaining poultry health. Farmers must also monitor their flocks of the site of the disease and take promotion action to prevent the spread. Poultry can harvest it for meat or eggs, and farming must plan for processing and marketing their product. Proper handling and storage are crucial for ensure that the products are high quality and safe for consumption. Poultry farming is a complex and challenging industry that requires careful planning, proper housing, nutrition feeds, effective breeding, health management, and harvesting. Good management practices help ensure that the health and productivity of the flock and the quality of safety of the product. We hope that the video has provided you with a better understanding of how farming rice poultry and the many aspects involved to the industry. From planning and preparation of feeding and harvesting. It's a complex and challenging process that requires knowledge and hard work and dedication. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.